A medical 3D printing center in central China's Henan province has been working on clinical application and scientific research of 3D printing technology, combined with the application of digital imaging and precision medicine. An expert from the center says, the 3D printed models can serve as convenient tools to trial the placement of implants and other medical devices.
医学 3D 打印模型在临床应用中也能给大夫提供诸多便利。像我手中拿着这款模型，就是根据病人的 CT 扫描数据1:1还原的。大夫在拿这款模型以后，可以根据我们提供的数据和模型实物进行支架的测试，以选择几号支架。同时我们这个模型为了做到尽量仿真，管壁和瓣膜是软质的，而钙化是硬质的，这样可以大大提高手术的效率和精准度。
The center is currently equipped with 15 various types of 3D printers. The expert points out that the application of 3D printing technology in medical care can also meet personalized treatment needs.
像我手上这款就是一个 3D 打印的胸骨，它能完美贴合病人的骨骼结构。同时，因为其定制化的特点，我们还可以对它进行设计和加工，比如说进行轻量化的设计，然后同时让它更符合力学的结构。随着这个技术的不断发展，相信总有一天它可以进行临床的收费应用。